Hello everyone, I am Sonal and today I am sharing my mini coffee cakes recipe. Coffee cake is one of those magical cakes that gets away with being acceptable to eat any time of the day. I live for a slice with my coffee in the morning. It's basically perfect when you are just grabbing a slice on the go. Now, I'm not going to try to convince you that my homemade coffee cakes are better than cafe cakes, which by the way they are, but I'm going to tell you that my homemade coffee cake recipe is one of the most loved recipes. And this one actually tastes like tiramisu. For regular stories and updates, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. So, the cake batter includes cream cheese, which not only adds richness but also helps to maintain a tender texture of the cake. There is a coffee stripe through the center of the cake that adds a strong coffee flavor with perfect amount of bitterness. And a blanket of coffee sugar over the top, which pairs so well with just the right amount of sweetness. This is the perfect cake for Sunday mornings. Be prepared, it won't last long. Just like potato chips, you can't just eat one. And I know, you have heard of lot of coffee cakes, but this one actually have coffee in it. Coffee is one of my absolute favorite cake flavors, and I struggle to resist buying a slice if I spot one in a coffee shop. However, sadly, I have noticed that quite a few lack coffee flavor in their cakes. So here I am with this perfect coffee cake recipe. A slice of coffee cake with a steaming cup of coffee is all you need. It is so rich and moist in texture, but what makes this coffee cake so unique is the coffee itself. The coffee sugar sits on the top of the cake and the freshly brewed coffee that runs through its center. If you have any queries for this recipe, share it in the comment section below. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Bye!